Hi guys, in today's video I'm going to show you how you can change phone number on Shop app. So the first step you simply need to do is to open Shop app and you need to log in into your account first. So once you log in into your Shop app account, you simply need to click on your profile picture on the top right. From here you need to click on settings, and once you are in your settings you simply need to click on login and security, and here you can see an option of mobile number. You simply need to click on change, and here you need to select your country code, add your number, click on continue, and you will receive a code on your number that you need to enter and your number will be changed. So this is the process how you can change phone number on Shop app. So I hope you find this video helpful. If you find this video helpful, must like this video, subscribe to our YouTube channel for future videos. We'll see you in the next video. Thank you. Have a good day.